Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do our lighting and our electrical. You might already have lighting from the other videos in the playlist, but if you don't, here's how you do lighting real quick. If you do, you can probably skip ahead for a second. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my ceiling plan. I'm just going to do ceiling lights for now, not desk lamps, but go to ground floor. So this is looking up from the ground floor. Notice I can't tell where anything is. So rather than unhide anything, because there really isn't anything to unhide, I'm going to go here into this properties browser, go to underlay, and I'm going to underlay my ground floor plan. When I hit apply, notice all my furniture pops up, my cabinets and such. So that just gives me an idea where I need lighting. So let's go to lighting fixtures. And if you have some, you have some, but if you don't, you can load family. And you're going to go to our typical US Imperial, lighting, architectural, internal, because we're inside the house, and you got a bunch of lights. So I'm going to pick this pendant lamp, art glass, that one hangs from the ceiling. I'm also going to pick a recessed light. This one looks fine. And you can pick some other lights if you want. They used to have ceiling fans. We're not going to really worry about those in this 2019. I don't see any ceiling fans, but you can certainly download them from even the Revit website. So, all right, so I'm just going to hit OK, and it's going to give me a bunch of ideas for what I want for my recessed lamp. These are like the can lights you see in your kitchen, sometimes your living room. So I'm going to go for a trimmed wall wash. Okay, and you'll notice that it added a couple. I'm going to go with some pendant lights first. I'm going to actually put an island here later, so I'll put some pendant lights there. Notice that it has work on place on vertical face, and we can't do that because we don't have any vertical faces. That'd be like a wall. So I want to place it on a work plane, and it'll let us do that. I'm going to put my island right around here. So I'm just going to go ahead and place 3 pendants right here. And now hit escape so I can go grab a different type of light. And now I'm going to get my recessed. I'm going to go with my 4-inch recessed. You can see that's that trim ring that comes around the recessed lights. And, you know, pretty common is to go 6 feet apart and, you know, about 3 to 4 feet from the wall. So we'll go here. And I'm not really too concerned with you being picky on where you put these for this project right now. I'm going to put a couple in there. I'm also going to put 2 over here. And we don't have to worry about how they're wired right now. I just know I want a couple in that room. I'm also going to put a couple over here. They might have art over there. And a couple over here for this pass-through. And, you know, that should be enough. We might put one by the door. So that'll just give me some light in the house. You know, we'd also probably put a recessed light with a fan. They don't have that in Revit anymore. Right here in the bathroom. That's the wrong light to put in there, but for now, that's fine. You might have some recessed lights in the bedrooms, or you might have ceiling fans, and so, you know, we'll just put those in too. Okay, so I'm going to hit escape. Now I have a bunch of lights in, and I'm actually going to go to ground floor electrical now and start wiring up my lights and putting outlets in and all that stuff. So I'm going to do that in the next video.